Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see your saved or liked spotlights on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, access your Snapchat app on your mobile phone, and this kind of interface gonna appear. Right now, right over here, all you gotta do is simply go to this section of spotlights, and now let's go ahead. We are browsing through them, right? So let's say we have personally liked this one. So now to find them, all we gotta do is go back. We're gonna go to our profile on top left, and now we're gonna simply swipe a bit, and there you can see my favorites, which are the spotlights that you have simply liked. Tap on view all, and there you will be able to find the saved and the liked spotlights of your Snapchat accordingly. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.